In this video, we'll fill out a Louisiana last will and testament step by step with a sample person, Anna Baker. You can fill yours out free at FormsPal. This is general information, not legal advice. Start with you, the person making the will, the testator. Type your full name at the top, then in the opening line, your name again, the city where you live, and your county. Anna Baker lives in New Orleans, Orleans County. Next, your family. Note whether you are married and name your spouse. Here, Ben Carter. Then list your children with their birth dates. Anna Baker has one daughter, Maria Baker. Now the heart of the will. Who inherits? Name each beneficiary and what they receive. Anna Baker leaves her estate to her daughter, Maria Baker. If you have minor children, name a guardian to raise them if both parents are gone, and an alternate. Anna Baker names Ben Carter, then Carlos Diaz as backup. Choose your executor, the person who carries out your wishes, here, Carlos Diaz, with their address, and name an alternate too. Hey there, and welcome back. Today we're walking through what it takes to execute a last will and testament validly. So let's get into it. First things first, your will needs to be prepared in writing. That's your starting point. Next, it needs to be signed by the testator. That's you, the person making the will. Now, here's something helpful to know. Your signature can go anywhere in the testament, so you're not locked into signing at the bottom, as long as that happens in your presence. Now, you'll also need 2 witnesses. The will must be signed by the testator, each of those witnesses, and a notary public. Speaking of which, the will must be executed before a notary public, so make sure you have one present. Last, sign your will. Print your name, then the city and state where you sign. Your witnesses sign too. Here, Devin Lee and Priya Shah. That is the whole will. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com, then print and sign it the way Louisiana requires. This is general information, not legal advice.